What's up, Priyatelia? My name is K Experience, and today we'll review about the background with the TV lighting, with the TV and the back of the TV with lamp along with the light. So stay the Yemen tune. TV has a background of the light. Turn on, turn off the lights conserve energy. So I have to set it up for international channels. I zoom with that. You're gonna connect to the TV as the light converter is switched. I can see it. It's connected to the background of a TV. I selected with Cody. Go to Minecraft or Retro Crush. I'm wrong amount, sorry, because I bought a remote control for a highly priced. So important things, I gotta turn on. You go to Retro Crush on the Resident TV. So let's go with no color, only white light is important to connect. A 720p is important to watch. It's connected with the anime in the background of the TV. It's good design. This pillar box featured or stretch featured, an anime classic. So connected with the lights important. I'm gonna clean up this one. Superman dirty. Yes, of the wire. So I have things to connect. We have two lights. One light has silhouettes. So about the hue lights, the silhouette lights, even every light is back on the TV simultaneously. So check the enemies important to connect. The background is silhouetted to the back of a TV. So we have to stay connected to internet connectivity, so smart hue and smart light and smart sync on the TV in the background with fluorescent light bulbs. So that's for today, you guys. Thanks for watching. But K Experience how to sync the hue white lights on a screen, not the colored one. The light is important. Do not forget to subscribe, like, favorite. That's it. Goodbye. How to set up maybe the DIY inventing hue lights for the hue lights with the sync lights important. Goodbye.